Hello guys, how you doing? Today I'm gonna show you something different from niches. That it is how do I use Merch Flow, a merch on demand app that helps very much to optimize your merch account to, for example, delete bad designs. For example, you can increase prices in bulk. You can do a series of things in bulk, and it's very easy and user friendly to all merch on demanders. Okay, for this tutorial I'm gonna use Merch Flow. If you wanna try it, after you see a video, you can find the Chrome extension here in this address that I will leave it in the description also. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you for this example how I'm gonna do it. Here we are on dashboard. It's a general dashboard of your merch on demand account with a lot of tools and details. But then I'm gonna go to products. This is the section where all my products are. Okay, and I'm gonna go here status. I'm gonna go in light, search all my light products. Then I'm gonna go to market, just the US market, where I have most of my sales and products. Then I'm gonna select standard t-shirt. That is my best selling product, of course. And then I'm gonna go here on pages. I wanted to show you 10,000 results. I'm up here for 1,000, so that's enough. And then I'm gonna select here, select all the designs related to my tier per 1,000 account. And then I'm gonna go to more tools, export, curate page. No, export all products .csv. Okay, I will show you why. When I have my CSV, I'm gonna show you how I'm using my new account in Claude AI. That is the new sensation of AI. Everyone says that is closing the ChatGPT account for this new Claude sensation, and I've been using Claude for 2 days, and it's very good, damn awesome. Okay, for this video I'm gonna show you how I optimized my account with Claude in a very simple example. Okay, in my next video I plan to make one on how I optimized my merch ads account. Okay, that I think that's even better than this. Okay, so here I go to my downloads. I had my CSV with all my products and sales and all the data. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to Club. This is the principal, the page of Club. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, but it's very famous, so you can find it in Google. Okay, I've been using this for 2 days. As I was telling you, so I'm not a pro, but I'm gonna show what I have learned. First, I'm gonna go to projects, and I'm gonna create a new project that is gonna be called Merch on Demand Optimizer. Okay, why I'm creating a project? Because in Claude, when you use projects, for example, Merch on Demand Optimizer, then it tomorrow when I keep on working on that specific theme, I go to that specific project, and Claude is gonna remember all our conversations. Okay, if you wanna go a month from now and keep on talking about the same subject in that project of Merch on Demand Optimizer, Claude would remember, and then you have a lot of work done. You don't have to start talking again. Do you remember when I wanted to change this? Okay, that you can use for all projects. For example, I have projects for niche, please, for my ads console, etc. I'm creating projects while I'm learning how to use Claude. Okay, so we have a new project, Merch on Demand Optimizer, and here I'm gonna put a brief description of my goals, etc. Demand account possible, turns all the sales possible. This is a very simple instruction, but you can go deeper and put whatever you want. Okay. My goal is to get my merch on demand account to its best first performance possible in terms of sales and to get a tier up as quickly as possible. Okay. Create project. Okay, we have a project. Here you can use different AIs. For example, Obus is very intelligent AI, but it consumes a lot of your tokens. Okay, Claude uses tokens. If you, for example, use Opus a lot, you will have to wait 5 hours to get another chance to use Claude. Okay, Sonnet is efficient, but it's not as consuming as Opus. Keiku is fastest. Extended thinking is more than Opus, etc. You have to. Yeah. I'm just learning this how in this moment as I show it to you. Okay. So now I'm gonna go here and gonna add my file, all my products that I just exported from Workflow. I'm gonna add it and I'm gonna start asking questions to my Sonnet AI. Okay. I created 4 simple questions, just an example for you to see how this works and how you can make it even better in your personal merch on demand account. Okay, this is just a basic example. My first question is gonna be, I'm in tier 4000. What should I do right now to tier up faster? Okay, very basic. I'm in top tier 4000. What should I do right now to tier up faster? Let's see what Claude tells us. Okay, let's go. Now Claude is gonna make a very specific search of the task. Let's see how it goes. It's similar to Gemini in ChatGPT, but I think it gives far better results. Okay, let's see. This is the first result. Great data. Now have a very good picture of your account. Here was actually going to what you should do right now. Your account at a glance. 3 your standard feature publish. Designs. Your top niche is set right now. So I'm gonna delete this. What to do right now? This is the first suggestion. Stop uploading new designs blindly. You're nearly full. You have 120 open slots left. Every slot is a precious at tier 4000. Only use them on your current winners or high demand trends. Audit and delete dead slots. You have 2500 t-shirt with 0 sales ever. At tier 4000, Amazon wants to see consistent sale velocity to tier up. That weight hurts. Delete the ones that are 90 plus. This is important. 90 plus days sold with 0 sales at the replacement with better designs in your top niches. So this is the first important suggestion of Claude that says delete the ones that are 90 plus days with 0 sales. Okay, do not fall in love with your designs. Okay, then double down on what actually converting. Your data show clear winners. Focus your upload here. These are the niches. I'm not gonna say it. So the second important action is to take double down on what actually converting. Okay, I get your best niches. So double down. Do not upload think that you guess or think I'm gonna sell. Okay, better to double down when you are in a small tier. Okay. 4. Use your other product types as secondary slot. You have token of design already on Tumblr, tote bag, pillow, or hoodies. Those come toward your royalties, but you don't need your core t-shirt slot. Mac are 2 selling non-tier product. Make sure your top designs are on Mac too. Okay. 5. The tier up formula is simple. Sustain the sales, not just slot counts. Amazon tier ups you based on sales over time. With 409 shirts setting and the last 30 days they generate steady volume, but you need to grow that number. The fastest way is to prime the dead weight and put better designs in those slots. Okay, quick action priority list. Priority. Now, delete US t-shirt with 0 sale plus 90 days sold. Okay, that you can make in bulk with merge flow. Okay, now create more niches. I'm gonna erase this to my winning niches. This week, expand your top designs to max and puris if not already there. So your winning niches, if you need to expand it to more products, okay? Don't depend only of a standard t-shirt. This week, check your Japan lists. You have 35k Japan lists. See if any are selling. Ongoing. Track weekly velocity. You want that 409 numbers climbing to 600. Okay? It is a very basic action, but we got a precious information in the first question. Okay? The second question I'm gonna ask. Based on my bestsellers, how should I scale to reach the next tier quicker? You can go even deeper with the questions based on your account and your personal doubts, okay? I made just like a generic questionnaire for you to seek out. You can mix merge flow and Claude. Very efficient. Sometimes you spend a lot of time looking for niches and obscure niches here and there, and you have all your niches in your information. Okay, that's a very important way of thinking. Okay, so now Claude is giving me a very descriptive way to double down on winner designs. Okay, I'm not gonna show you this information, of course, but it giving me all the data that it thinks that will make me a lot of winners with new designs, scaling on the data of my winner niches of the past, okay? And also, it's suggesting me which designs to delete at once, okay? Now, let's continue. For example, you can ask him, which designs need better SEO title? For this, if it finds something that needs to be changed, you can change it in bulk also with merge flow. Okay, that's the power of these two tools together. For example, in this question, depending on the results it gives us, you can ask him to go deeper and tell him to which designs do I have to change SEO title that have not been sold, okay? Because if they have been sold, there's no reason to change the title, okay? I would ask it then that, but let's see the first answer. SEO and title is very important, especially for example now, since a few months ago, I'm uploading only title and brand on my designs, okay? So title have to be very on the spot for the designs, okay? Okay, she's giving me the answer, okay? And it's giving me suggestions to change the ones that are not working and to keep the ones that are working, okay? Of course, I'm not showing you the detail on the answer, but basically that's it, okay? Okay? And lastly, finally, I'm gonna ask him, based on my bestsellers, what other niches should I try? Okay, so based in real data and real consumer activity, what niches could I enter based on my winners? Okay, and it's telling me, looking at your top sellers, I can identify clear patterns in what's working for you. Let me research current trending niches that align with your proven strength. Okay. This is very valuable information. Okay, now it's suggesting me niches that it thinks that it will work based on my data, not based on guessing or magic. Okay, that's very important. And there are new wishes. Okay, it's giving me a deep analysis of the suggestions and ways that I can go beat on them. Okay, Lord, it's awesome. And the way it shows information is very to the point. Okay, also why you keep using the tool, it's like when you meet a friend, the friend starts speaking like mostly your language and things he knows from you. Okay, the tool also, so you don't have to explain 3 times. something that in a week you should know already, okay? I'm just getting to learn Claude, so I'm not an expert, but I've realized that. Okay, so now here is the recommendation. I won't show it to you because it's personal, but it's very useful information. Okay, and this is a very basic way to use merge flow. You can, I think they have tutorials even here. I think that it used to be free, but now they have a starter plan of 999. Okay, but I think it's enough. I think they have tutorials in their page. Not sure, but it's a very efficient way that you can mix both worlds. Okay, merge flow and Claude. I will leave also the link in the description for my next episode. I will make an even better video that I will show how I can optimize in a very radical way my ad performances. In 1 week, I saw a big spike in growth and a big spike in spending less money. Okay? So efficiency is the crook here. Okay? Wait for the next video that is gonna be awesome. In the meantime, I'm gonna still learn how to use Claude to its best way. Okay? Hope you like this new video, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye!